Hey guys, so today we're doing a Moorland Championship with Spirit, but we are wild, so let's go. I have just bit something and it was really spicy. And I am gonna fail because I left a bit early because I decided to record for you guys. I actually love Spirit. I'm getting a good bond with him, luckily. And I am going to be doing a new series starting in a bit after this video is uploaded of me training all my horses. So that means Thunderbird, my starter horse. Goldspark isn't going to be everyone because she is level 14. So I am going to be getting... Oh god, I forgot now. Rip! Oh no! I just lost third place. I think. I don't know what place it was. But no, she can't get it. She can't get third. I really want to get third though because I have been third. I just remembered. I want first. I've never been first in a race before. I've been third and second. Come on, Spirit, let's go. Shwenya, Bamani, Shamana. Sorry about the bad singing. Whee! Guys, I don't know what I got. Born to be Wild, we finally got it, guys. Yay! Let's see what I got. I don't know what I actually got though, that's the thing. So I'm going to take an Instagram photo. Okay, if you come to the wedding, just to let you know, I am going to have to say everything that Sophie wants to say because she's got chat ban. I got a message from SSO in my other video, so go watch it. Watch it. The video is up. I got second! Oh my god! Guys, I got second! Okay, I'm just putting it on Instagram. OMG. It's just my lucky day. Let's try to... Foot Pinter. Wait, we can be a rider now. Whee! Spirit's like my champion. Wee! Okay, let's jump it. Ah! Oh my god. 1 hour and 25 minutes. No? 1 hour and 23 minutes till the wedding. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, let's ride. I'm gonna ride. I'm riding free here. So come along, come on, journey with me. Yeah. Okay then, I got second. Oh my god, let's go to my home stable. Can he wear it? Oh, rip. Okay, I am gonna call for pickup and go to my home stable because I want to change to Thunderbird so I can race him. So guys, I hope this video was fun for you all to watch, and I will see you later. Bye!